Hi there, I'm Saurabh, the co founder and CEO of Peakflo. Today, I'm incredibly excited to introduce you to our newest product, AI Voice Agents, built to help businesses automate repetitive calls, supercharge follow ups, and scale operations effortlessly. Before I start, I want to be clear, why did we build this? In talking to hundreds of our customers, whether they're in logistics, insurance, manufacturing, or finance operations, one common pain point stood out. Teams are spending countless hours manually making calls, following up, and updating systems. It's repetitive, prone to human error, and quite frankly, not the best use of your team's time. With AI voice agents, you can automate thousands of conversations without sacrificing the human touch and connect them seamlessly with your workflows and tech stack. Here, let me jump into the product and show you how it works. One of the many popular applications for Peakflo Voice AI is automating long tail collections. Here, long tail refers to high volume, low value collections. So instead of having your collections officer make those repetitive calls, Peakflo Voice AI helps automate the entire process. It will reach out to your customers, get a promise to pay date, offer payment plans, trigger the next steps like sending reminders, updating your ERP, or escalating the case to a human agent. So let me walk you through some of the core capabilities that make this possible. First, we have a workflow builder. You can create your own voice workflows from scratch or choose from ready to made templates for sales, support, collections, delivery updates, and more. So, in this case, what you see here on the screen is a collections template that can be selected, or you can modify this. Now, the second portion is an agent prompt. Think of it like a instruction screen wherein you're essentially providing instructions like you would to a new collections agent or a new team member. So here I've written ask the customer when they can make the payment for the overdue invoice. If they share a date, update the promise to pay date field in the ERP. Again, the instructions can be as complex or as simple as is required. Next, we have a knowledge base. So here, knowledge base is where you can plug in files, APIs, help center links, or even raw data sources. And the agent will draw knowledge in real time to power dynamic context aware conversations. Then there's integrations. Our AI connects with your existing tech stack like NetSuite, SAP, Salesforce, Shopify, Notion, Apollo, Stripe, pretty much everything that is required for a modern organization. Then we've got memory agents. Our AI remembers previous conversation and uses them to power smart workflow follow-ups. So during a collection call, let's say if your customer says, I'll make the payment next Friday, please call me then, the AI will do exactly that. It'll remember the conversation, set up a follow-up task for itself, and with full context, make that follow-up call on the specific date. Now, most importantly, we have the actions tool. This allows the AI to automatically create next steps like updating your ERP, triggering reports, sending Slack alerts to your team, triggering emails, booking meetings, or even firing off an entirely other workflow based on what just happened in the conversation. Now let's jump into a live demo for the specific use case that we've been discussing, which is an invoice collection call.
Hi, this is Sam from Acme Health's finance team. How are you today?
Hi, this is Saurabh. I'm fine.
Okay, great. I noticed that you guys have 5 invoices with 6,323 and 5 cents outstanding, of which 4,623 and 5 cents is overdue, with the oldest invoice being 30 days past due. Okay?
Hang on. What's this about again?
Yeah, I'm calling regarding the overdue invoices. We value our relationship with you guys, and we want to continue providing the best service possible. To do that, we need to ensure timely payments.
Sorry, where are you calling from again? I didn't catch that.
Oh, sorry about that. This is Sam from Acme Health's billing team.
Okay, got it. Acme. Sure. So again, what are the invoices that you're following up on again?
Yeah, so I'm following up on the overdue invoices. When do you think you guys will be able to make a payment?
Can you give me the invoice numbers? I can check the system and maybe let you know.
Sure, just real quick, the invoice numbers are INV 2024-0022, INV 2024-0023, INV 2024-0024, INV 2024-0025, and INV 24-0026.
Got it. The way I see this in the system is some of these invoices seem to be disputed. I think we may have communicated to the account manager about the disputes. Are you aware of it?
Okay, can you specify which invoice or invoices and the amount you're disputing?
Yeah, this is the invoice ending with 022 and invoice ending with 026.
Okay, so that's INV 24-0022 and INV 2024-0026, right? And you're disputing the full amounts on those?
Yep, full amounts.
Okay, I've got that. I'll transfer you to the account manager to discuss the dispute, okay?
Sure. And just before you do that, on the remaining invoices, we're going to need a payment plan because we won't be able to clear those by end of this month. So I think we're going to need a bit of an extension in order to fully clear them.
Okay, I understand. Just to confirm, you're disputing invoices INV 2024-0022 and INV 2024-026, and you'd like a payment plan for the remaining invoices. Is that correct?
Yep, that sounds about right.
Okay, perfect. I'm transferring you to the account manager now to discuss the disputed invoices. And for the payment plan on the remaining invoices, I'll look into that for you after you're done with the account manager, okay?
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Goodbye.
All right, so that was the call. I'm able to see the workflow execution and obviously post the call. This is the file that has been generated, which gets automatically forwarded to the relevant collections team. If this got you curious, stick around. We've got more demos right after this, showcasing different use cases across multiple industries like insurance, manufacturing, and all.
Hi, this is Alex from Acme Insurance. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I just got into a huge collision on the US Highway 101 just before Bayshore Freeway, and I kind of need a tow truck ASAP.
Oh, no, I'm so sorry to hear that. You've done the right thing by calling. I'll guide you through each step. First, before we get started, is everyone safe right now?
Yeah, everyone's safe, Alex. Thanks for asking.
Okay, great. I'm glad to hear that. I see here your policy is active, which is good. To make sure I have the right policy in front of me, can you confirm your date of birth?
Yeah, my date of birth is June 30th, 1992.
Okay, great. Thanks for confirming. Now let's get some more details about what happened. You mentioned it was on US Highway 101, just before Bayshore Freeway. Can you tell me what time the accident occurred?
Yeah, I mean, it just occurred like 15 minutes back. So I was just taking the exit 398 on the Bayshore Freeway, and a great Toyota Corolla just came out of nowhere and just rammed, rear-ended me. So, like, my car is totally, totaled, and I need a tow truck ASAP. I already have a CHP, a California Highway Patrol report number, if you'd like me to share that as well.
Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that. It sounds like a pretty serious collision. Thanks for sharing the details. Let me just make a note of that. So it was around 15 minutes ago on US Highway 101, just before the Bayshore Freeway exit. A Toyota Corolla rear-ended you. I see you have a police report number already. That's great. First, let me confirm that you need a tow service. The ETA for the tow truck is around 23 minutes to your location. Now, apart from the rear ending, were there any injuries to yourself or anyone else in the car?
No injuries. Everybody's luckily safe. We've got some airbags deployed, but like there's no injury.
Okay, that's really good to hear. And was anyone else involved besides you in the Toyota Corolla?
No, it's just the two of us. Only the two cars that were involved.
Got it. Who was driving your vehicle at the time of the accident?
That would be myself.
Okay, got it. And just to confirm, your vehicle is not drivable, correct?
Nope.
Okay, since the car is not drivable and you need a tow truck, do you also need a rental car while repairs are being made?
Yes, I would need a rental car. Yes.
Okay, I can arrange that for you. Do you happen to have photos of the damage to your vehicle or the accident scene?
Yeah, absolutely. I can share all the photos. Just send me a email or a link where I can upload it. I'll be happy to.
Okay, great. I'm going to send you an email with a link where you can easily upload the photos and any other documents you might have, like the police report. You should receive that in a few minutes. All right, so just to summarize, you were rear-ended by a Toyota Corolla on US Highway 101 just before the Bayshore Freeway about 15 minutes ago. Thankfully, no one was injured. Your vehicle isn't drivable, so I've arranged for a tow truck, and I'm also setting up a rental car for you. I'll also send you an email where you can upload the photos and police report. Your claim has been recorded, you'll receive confirmation shortly, and your adjuster will reach out. Your claim number is 12345. Your assigned adjuster is Kunal Purigit. You'll hear from Kunal within 1 to 2 business days. His phone number is +1 555 210 and his email is kunal.purigit@peakflo.co. You're all set for now. Can I help you with anything else?
No, Alex, that's really helpful. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, thanks for making sure that the tow truck arrives on time. Yeah, you mentioned 23 minutes. That's right?
Yes, that's right. The ETA for the tow truck is approximately 23 minutes. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If anything new comes up, just reply to the confirmation email and we'll help.
All right. Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Hi there, this is Ryan from Logitrack. How's your day going?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. You came through as someone interested in shipment services, so I just wanted to learn a bit more and see how we can help. Are you looking to send parcels regularly or just occasionally?
Regularly?
Okay, great. And do you ship fewer than 150 parcels per day?
No, we ship more than that.
Okay, got it. And are you shipping as an individual, small business, or large company?
Small business.
Okay, and what type of product or item do you ship?
Mainly clothing, accessories.
Okay, gotcha. And are your shipments domestic, international, or both?
It's mostly domestic, sometimes international.
Okay, sounds like we can definitely help with that. I'll share with you the next steps shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.